Has a client accidentally been overcharged or paid too much? Here's how to correctly process an overpayment refund in Wise Owl. Following the correct refund process ensures your invoices, receipts, and financial records remain accurate while maintaining a clear audit trail. Client overpayments usually happen in one of two situations. An item is accidentally charged twice on the same invoice. A client is invoiced again for work that's already been billed. Once you've identified the cause, you're ready to process the refund. Let's start with this example. Here, we have invoice 1251 for $1,100, which has already been fully paid with receipt R1119. After reviewing the invoice, we discover the client was overcharged by $220, so we'll now process a refund for that amount. First, create a new disbursement using the client as the supplier and select the correct matter. Enter today's date, choose outlays, and use a description such as, refund to client for overpayment. Ensure the GST code and refund amount match the original overcharge, in this example, $220, then finalize the disbursement. Once the disbursement has been confirmed, process the $220 refund to the client using the same bank account where the original payment was received. Next, create a new invoice containing only the refund disbursement. In this example, we'll create invoice 1252 for $220 with the description, refund to client for overpayment, then finalize the invoice. Because the original payment was receipted against the first invoice, we'll delete receipt R1119 in Wise Owl and your accounting software. Then create a new receipt for $1,100, allocating $880 to invoice 1251 and $220 to invoice 1252. Finally, create an adjustment note for $220 and apply it to invoice 1251. This reduces the original invoice to the correct amount and completes the refund process. As a final check, confirm that both invoices now show as fully paid and there are no outstanding balances. That's it for processing a client overpayment refund in Wise Owl. Stay tuned for more Wise Owl quick tips, and keep exploring Wise Owl Legal to discover smarter ways to manage your billing, accounting, and everyday workflows.